Rev up the chainsaw! It's time for massmechanic@hotmail.com. I'd like to thank all my viewers for sending in requests and questions for me to make videos about. Without that, I don't know what I'd be doing right now. James from Brooklyn, New York asks, Mass Mechanic, sometimes I'm driving down the road and people cut in front of me or pull out and stop in the middle of the road, something like that, and I'm very agitated. Sometimes I wish that there was some kind of button on my car that I could press to make a loud noise to alert the other driver to know that they did wrong and that they're an idiot. Well, James, I've got good news for you. You drive a 2005 Honda Civic EX. Your car comes factory equipped with what's called a horn. Now the purpose of the horn is when somebody pulls out in front of you, you push the button and it makes a loud noise, letting them know that they're an idiot and that you're very upset with them, and that you possibly may start road raging, but that doesn't mean you have to. Now, this truck and most cars, the horn is activated by pushing on this button right here. So, I'm driving along. Some guy just pulled out in front of me. That's what you do. You hear the loud noise? Now that guy in front of me knows that I'm pissed off at him and that he's an idiot. It tells him right there. You don't even have to do anything but just press this button right here. It makes a sound as long as you hold it in. You can blip it, or you can hold it in. It's up to you. So, there you go, James. I hope this helps you out. Let me know if you need anything else. Thanks for watching. And if you've got any car questions, just visit massmechanic@hotmail.com. And I'll get back to you as soon as I'm done fixing this door.